Hi guys, this is Jeff at Slavens Racing. I want to show you a new product we have from G2. It's called the Throttle Conversion Kit. It's for the TPI, the two-stroke fuel-injected models, KTM, Husky, and Gas, and then the four-stroke models as well, and those three brands. And it changes them from a two-throttle cable, push-pull cable system to just a single cable system. But the reason they came out with this kit is because a lot of guys complain about throttle pull being kind of stiff on those models of bikes. That takes too much effort to turn, makes their arm pump up. And so, and the reason that is because the stock throttle housing on the KTM, Husky, and Gas models doesn't have a pulley in here like this system does, and it tends to rub on the cable tends to rub on the housing a little bit. Also, this is an aluminum throttle tube, and on both ends of it, it has a Delrin bushing. So it makes it turn really smoothly on the bar. So the combination of this tube with the Delrin bushings and then the pulley system and eliminating one of the cables makes a much lighter pull. And that's what guys are after. So these come, these fit the two strokes and the four strokes, and then they come in three different setups. That is a standard pull, so it opens the throttle at the same rate as the stock throttle does. Or you can have the quick turn if you want it to open quicker, or the tamer, which makes it open slower and milder. Especially at lower RPMs and lower throttle settings, it makes it less sensitive. That is by far the most popular, the tamer version. We sell lots of the tamer throttles, throttle tubes, as well as the tamer version of this kit's very popular. Just makes it easier to control the bike, at lower RPMs. Doesn't open the carburetor quite as quickly, or the fuel injection quite as quickly, and so it just makes it a little more controllable. So this is a very easy kit to install. You just remove the stock throttle and cables and hook this up. There's instructions on the back of it, and it's kind of a no-brainer if you want an easier, lighter pull. And not much else to tell you. These are made in America, and the throttle housing itself is made in Italy by Domino. So, it's a high quality stuff. And then you can see here it's got a different throttle cam. And then if you buy, say, the standard one, you decide later that you want the tamer or you want the quick pull, one that opens quicker, but you can just buy the different cam from us. And those are pretty inexpensive. So new products on our site now. Check it out. Be sure and like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, and hook us up with Instagram. And just spread the word, guys. We appreciate your business and all that you do for us. And get out and ride. Hope to see you on the trail. Talk to you soon.